Welcome home to 681 Warren Road on the beautiful Lake Wedowee. Tucked away on a gently sloped waterfront lot with year-round water, this brand new, custom-built home was designed to bring together luxury, comfort, and easy lake living. From the moment you walk inside, you are greeted by warm, hardwood floors, open living spaces, and a stunning stone fireplace that serves as the centerpiece of the home. The main level primary suite offers a peaceful retreat with double vanities, tile floor, spa-inspired finishes, and an oversized tile shower designed with both style and comfort in mind. Downstairs you will find a finished walkout basement that expands the home even further, adding additional bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a large recreational room, a wet bar, and direct access to the outdoor entertaining areas. Whether you're relaxing on the covered back porch, grilling with friends, or taking the easy walkway down to the water, every single detail of this property was thoughtfully designed to maximize that lake lifestyle and enjoy the very best that Lake Wedowee has to offer.
With a home like 681 Warren Road, the setting is just as important as the house. Lake Wedowee is one of Alabama's most beautiful undiscovered lake communities. Officially, it's R.L. Harris Reservoir, but the name most people know and the name that fits the lifestyle is Lake Wedowee. It sits on the Tallapoosa River in East Alabama, upstream from Lake Martin. So you're on the same river chain as one of Alabama's most well-known lake destinations, just with a quieter, more laid-back feel. And that's really what makes Wedowee special. It still feels peaceful, it still feels natural, it hasn't been overbuilt or over-commercialized. You can find beautiful homes, deep water, quiet coves, and plenty of room to enjoy the lake without feeling like you're in the middle of a tourist rush. Location is another big part of the appeal. Lake Wedowee sits almost perfectly between Birmingham and Atlanta. From Birmingham, you're looking at roughly an hour-and-a-half drive. From Atlanta, it's usually under 2 hours. That makes it easy for a weekend getaway, a family lake house, or even a place where friends and relatives from both sides can meet in the middle. And the lake itself is bigger than a lot of people realize. Lake Wedowee is right around 10,000 acres with hundreds of miles of shoreline, long winding stretches of water, and plenty of deep water, with depths reaching more than 100 feet. So when you're boating, skiing, wakeboarding, swimming, or just sitting on the dock with coffee in the morning, there's plenty of lake to enjoy. It's also a great fishing lake, known for largemouth and spotted bass, crappie, brim, and the kind of easy weekends that turn into family traditions. But from a real estate standpoint, here's what really stands out. Lake Wedowee still has that rare feeling of discovery, beautiful enough to fall in love with, but not so crowded that it's lost its charm. You've got the beauty, the water, the newer homes, the privacy, and the convenience, but it still feels like a true lake community. Not overdone, not too crowded, just relaxed, scenic, and easy to love. So when you look at 681 Warren Road, you're not just looking at a new lake home. You're looking at a chance to be part of one of Alabama's most undiscovered lake communities. Close enough for the weekend, quiet enough to feel like an escape, and special enough to make you want to stay a little longer every time you visit.